Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Vanguard for Roth IRA contributions step by step clearly. To register with Vanguard for Roth IRA contributions, start by visiting the Vanguard website. Once on the home page, locate the Investing tab in the top menu. Hover over it to reveal a drop-down menu. Click on Accounts. Scroll down until you find the option labeled Open an Account. Click on that link. You'll be directed to a new page that outlines different account types. Select Retirement Accounts. Look for the Roth IRA option and click on it. Next, you will see information about Roth IRAs. Read through it to understand the features and benefits. Click on the button that says Open a Roth IRA. You may be prompted to log in if you already have a Vanguard account. If you do not have an account, look for the Create an Account option. Fill in your personal information, including your name, email address, and phone number. Create a username and password for your new account. Once you complete this step, agree to the terms and conditions. Continue to the next page, where you will provide your financial information. This includes your social security number, date of birth, and employment information. You will also need to enter your investment goals and risk tolerance. After filling in your financial details, review your information carefully. Once everything is accurate, proceed to the next step. You will now be asked to fund your Roth IRA. You can choose to link your bank account for electronic transfers. Alternatively, you can opt for a check deposit. Follow the prompts to complete your funding method selection. Confirm the funding amount you wish to contribute. After setting up your contributions, review all details of your account. Make sure everything is correct before finalizing your application. Submit your application for processing. You will receive a confirmation email once your account is successfully set up. Log into your new Vanguard account to explore investment options for your Roth IRA. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.